नमस्ते दिदीदाइहरु यो नियाको च्यानल हो अनि आज हामी चाहिँ आलु दम बनाउँदै छौं. So aloo dam is actually a very common dish in Nepal. I'm pretty sure every mother, every sister knows how to make this. And growing up in Nepal, like it was one of those dishes that you would get when there was like guests over or like in festivals and big events. And it's literally been my favourite dish from when I was young because I love potatoes with spices especially. It was basically the one for me, and coming to the UK I was like, I want to learn how to make aloo dam, and it was actually one of the main first dishes that I asked my mum to teach me, and it's just been the best thing I've ever learned really. These are the mature habanero chilies. We grow them in our garden. Water, not too much. I'd say just so that the bottom layer is half covered. When it gets to this colour, it's a bit brown now, but you want to quickly take it off the pan because it will easily burn, and that's why you gotta have a little bowl on the side to The next step, we're gonna do the preparation, but I mean we've been doing that. We're gonna chop up the onions, the garlic, the tomatoes and all the good stuff, and Chilli can get involved, so yay. Okay, so you want like a bowl of tomatoes, 2 small onions, can be red or white, I prefer white, and then 5 or 6 cloves of garlic because Nepalese people love their garlic.
Your knives are so sharp.
Yeah, see what I mean when I say.
Wait, which way should we do it? I'm not used to onions this small. Yeah, so I just left these ones like this.
We're gonna need more.
So you don't want it like that?
When was the first time that you cut an onion?
Oh, I actually remember it so well because it was my first proper dish that I made, and the people that uses turmeric in the dish, they know like it has a quite distinctive taste to it, and I put way too much in it, and I gave it to my family, and my dad ate it like, oh, this is so good, this is so nice. I knew myself that it wasn't the nicest food I've ever had. My mum was like, no, it's not, and he was like, no, this is the best thing I've ever had.
How old are you?
Like
2 years?
How old are you in year 6?
You're 10.
Yeah, I was 10.
What did Miss Ricketts teach you?
Don't be friends with the onions because this is what it does.
Well,
to
you're
you.
best friends with them right now.
A simple dish that I actually made that wasn't fried rice was French toast, and the only reason why I did that was because when I was in primary school, my brother was obviously in the secondary school. He didn't want to make French toast early in the morning, so he'd be like, yeah, can you make it for me? I made it once for him, and it was the best thing I ever had. Same thing my dad did basically. So every morning I would wake up at 6 AM and make French toast for my brother to take to school, which he wouldn't eat, by the way. He would trade it with someone else for something else. but I miss how close the community was like back then. Even when I visited recently, it wasn't the same, but I miss my culture, I miss my country, but it's also nice living in the UK because now I'm kind of used to living the Western life, I guess. I don't know. Aza din namro huncha. And that is it, guys. Aza din namro huncha.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
blend the sesame seeds that we roasted earlier using a blending machine. Very popular Nepalese snack, it's called Sugi.Wa, and it's like ready to eat noodles. You can make it into chatpate, which is like this with like onions, potatoes, coriander, lemon, and all those stuff, and it tastes so good. I've left a pot like a bowl of cold water there, because if it's too hot you can just dip your hand in there. So what you want to do is get the half piece, half it again, and then half it again.
Okay.
Sometimes if it's really big, then you can make it into a 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries.
Half it.
You're so cute. So we've got the chopped up tomatoes, salt to taste, garlic and chili paste. This is turmeric. You want 1 teaspoon. Cumin 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon. And we've got our grounded, blended sesame seeds from earlier, and finally our onions over there. No, again. There you go. Okay, so we need some oil.
Which oil are we using?
We're using sunflower oil today.
Ooh.
Yes, darling. Sorry, it's a little bit sticky, so just be careful. And stop.
That smells so good.
Yay.
It's so strong though.
It's the garlic.
Really?
And then
the chili.
the habanero alone. Even when you burst it open, the smell just gets to you. Add the sesame seeds or sesame powder in moderation, because you don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too liquidy. So what you can do, what I usually do with the potatoes that's left over is literally in like a little container like this. You can just put like a bit of salt and a bit of chili powder, mix it together, and literally just get the potato, dip it in, and you can eat it. Simple Nepalese childhood snack for me.
For you, that's all that I do.
I'm ready. Oh, are you ready? I'm
ready.
Scared. Right, this is Aloo Dam, guys. Okay.
I love this.
What do you think?
It's really good.
Okay.
Oh, there's something you put in here that you always put in your cooking. It's
I don't know. Chili?
yeah, legit.
Yeah, my favorite is basically the the gravy part. Sometimes I just make that and then eat it without the potatoes.
So good. There comes the spice.
Is it spicy?
No, but you can feel it in your chest.
Yeah. There you go guys, that's how you make aloo dam.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to Shaay's channel. I know she hasn't been active for a minute, but go share some love. I'm sure she'll be back soon, right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Bye.